This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK installed and Java home set. Open the terminal now and run Java version and JavaC version to verify. Once done, make a project directory and create Hello World. Java with a public class and main method. This gets you straight into compiling. You do this because the terminal workflow relies on the compiler and environment variables being correct. So check versions first, and then prepare the source file to move to compilation. You compile using JavaC from the folder containing your Java file, run JavaC Hello World, Java and confirm a Hello World class appears. Once compiled, run the program with Java Hello World. If you need input, pass arguments after the class name. Make sure to match the package structure with folders when using packages, or include the class path with CP if class is live elsewhere. You do this because compilation separates source from bytecode, and the JVM needs correct class paths to locate and execute. You finish by deciding whether to use simple JavaC or adopt Maven/Gradle for dependency and build automation. Run MVN compile or Gradle build when the project grows. Once done, use CP or class path to include external jars, remembering the path separator differs by OS. If things go wrong, check package declarations, folder structure, and that Java home points to the correct JDK. One key troubleshooting tip is to rerun Java version and JavaC version to catch mismatched installations early.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.